Well, hello everyone. It's been a while. Um, Today I got a little project to do. Um, First let me tell you a story on why I gotta do it. So I came in my van the other day. Actually, this was 2 weeks ago. Got in my van. I hadn't used it in a day or two. Got in the van and heard a noise. I heard the diesel heater blower going and realized it was just the blower because I didn't hear the fuel pump clicking like it normally does, and it was just blowing cold air. And I wondered, well, how long has it been running, and how did it start itself? So I did a little research. I couldn't get it to shut off. First of all, I tried the remote, it wouldn't shut off. I tried the wall unit, and it wouldn't shut off. Nothing worked. So I decided I needed to shut it off. I needed to disconnect it from the battery. So I disconnected it from the battery. Went in, did a little research, couldn't find anything, came back out. I connected it back up after it had been sitting an hour, and it was fine, nothing. And came back a few hours later, and it was running again all by itself. It had turned itself on, and it was blowing cold air. So I did a little bit more research, and I did find out what it is. It's actually kind of common for these diesel heaters. I found out it was the temperature sensor. It's just a wire, basically. It's a temperature sensor that goes to a circuit board. And so I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. It's a pretty simple fix, so let's see if I can manage to get this done. Okay, so this is the part we're looking at here. Temperature sensor. I got this on Amazon or eBay, I can't remember. It took a couple weeks to get here, so I knew it was going to take a while, and I thought if it ever happens again I want two of them. So I ordered two of them. I believe they were $5 each, so not too bad. So I'm going to try to get this cover off. It's kind of jammed in here. I hope I don't have to move any of my stuff. Try to get this cover off, and it's right on top, so that's good news. Okay, success. What we did is we took the we took this off the back side there. It's hard to see, but then the cover just came right off. So now all we have to do is take this clip off, and there's a wire there, and that temperature sensor should come right out of there. We have to be careful just to leave that clip in there, because if it comes out, we won't be able to get back in there to put it back on. So I'll get the normal pliers and take that out. I believe it hooks right in here through this hole. So I'll just take that out. There we go. We got the clip off. And just pull this wire, pull the sensor out. Come on. There we go. Okay, I thought there was supposed to be metal on the bottom of that, but I guess not on this one. Okay. Okay, now we have to take this part off. This top. The wire goes under it and around it. And it's a number 4 Allen screw. So we'll just loosen that up. Sorry for the light, there's not much light back down in here, but hopefully you get the idea. Okay, so that's off. See that? Maybe this helps here. See, this comes off. And you can see where the wire goes and connects underneath here. Connects right here. So we'll undo that clip there. Alright, and it is out. It is out. So let's get this new one in. The sensor part does not look the same but let's hope that it works. Let's just cross our fingers and hope it works. Okay, all replaced. Now you just plug it back into the battery and try her out. Okay, it turned on. It is starting to blow. We will see here if the fuel pump kicks in and it starts heating up. Okay. Well, I hear the fuel pump clicking. It should start to heat up here. Alright, it is working. We have heat. Success. Now let's clean up this mess. I love it. Okay, everything's back together. It is nice and toasty in here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some news coming up.